All right, we're back at it again, Math 7. Welcome back. Today we're looking at more two-step equations, if I can talk. With these, notice there are parentheses. So now we're going to have to put into play, we have to undo the parentheses last. We have multiplication to deal with first. So how to undo multiplication? We're going to divide. The opposite of times 2 is divide 2. This x plus 4 comes down. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now the parentheses are gone. We don't really need them anymore. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. These are really not tough problems. You just have to understand you have to get rid of that times before getting rid of the addition. Okay, because parentheses really comes last instead of right before multiplication. So x equals 6. It's no different if there's subtraction in there. Divide by 3. b minus 6 comes down instead. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, the opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. b equals 10. What did I forget on both these? To check my answer. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. That's good. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Follow the order of operations the correct way as opposed to the reverse way. Now, when you have a negative number, no different, right? When we go to divide, we're dividing by a negative 7. Divide by a negative 7. My video is going to run into the edge of the screen here. So I'm going to move it over here a little bit. 6 plus d equals negative 7, right? 49 divided by negative 7 is negative 7. That's a little confusing. I have to get rid of a positive thing over here. The opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. That's another thing to get tripped up on. Positive d comes down, plus d, positive d, same thing. Negative 7 minus 6 is negative 13. Let's check it. 6 plus negative 13 is negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. Bam, nailed it. Fractions, decimals, no different, okay? Divide by a quarter. Notice I'm going to the same step. Get rid of what's outside the parentheses before you get rid of what's in the parentheses, because the parentheses have to come last. They have to come last. Normally they come first, but when you're solving, they have to come last. d minus 3 equals negative 60. All right, remember that rule. You keep change flip. You flip 1/4 to make it 4. You could use your calculator as well. The opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. d equals negative 57. It's a little ugly, but it'll work. Negative 57 minus 3 is negative 60. Negative a quarter of negative 60 is negative 15. Okay, same thing here. Doesn't matter the fraction second or first. Same as example D. Now with the decimal, I'm not going to spend time on that. I'm going to jump to the word problem. But just divide by 0.75, then take away 6.